Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Charge the AirPods Pro and open the case so the earbuds wake. On your laptop, turn Bluetooth on and keep the Bluetooth settings page open. This speeds discovery. Now press and hold the small setup button on the back of the case until the LED blinks white. This puts the AirPods into pairing mode so your computer can find them. Once your laptop sees them, you'll move immediately to the device selection step to complete the connection. On Windows, click Add Device, pick Bluetooth, then select your AirPods Pro from the list. On Mac OS, open Bluetooth in System Settings and click Connect next to the AirPods. The reason you use the OS Bluetooth UI is it handles pairing keys and profiles automatically. Make sure you wait until the status changes to Connected. Once connected, open Sound or Audio settings and explicitly select AirPods Pro for output, and for input if you plan to use the mic, so audio routes correctly. After connecting, play audio to confirm stereo sound and check the mic by recording a short clip. This verifies both output and input routing. If you want noise control, adjust active noise cancellation or transparency through a paired iPhone or the AirPods controls. Firmware updates also install via an iPhone and can fix connection bugs. If pairing fails, reset the AirPods by holding the setup button, remove them from the laptop's Bluetooth list. Restart Bluetooth or the laptop, then repair. That single reset.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.